Davis, Robert E. Lee, and Stonewall Jackson. The horse's name Traveler 2025. Nice, beautiful day in April after a good rainstorm. Oh yeah. Mountain's 825 feet tall. Scenic. Look at the birds up there. Might be a hawk. Usually buzzards.
Once again, please remain seated until the train is no longer moving and the gates have been